Truly Free Home's floor cleaner works well on most hard floor surfaces, delivering a deep clean with a refreshing citrus aroma. It also has zero chemical fragrances, dyes, or petroleum. Your first order comes with a forever bottle. To get started, simply fill the bottle with warm to hot water to the fill line, add 1 refill pouch, and top it off with more water. Tighten the lid securely and shake it up. Once ready, this non-toxic formula can be used in 3 ways. First, you can use it in a spray mop. Just fill the reservoir with floor cleaner. Second, you can use it in a mop bucket. Just add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of floor cleaner to hot water. And finally, for small spills, simply squirt floor cleaner directly on the floor and wipe clean. Remember to shake well before each use, as floor cleaner will naturally settle and separate. Now you're ready to clean hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and other sealed floor surfaces around your home. Be sure to add floor cleaner refills to your next Truly Free Home shipment. The more items in your box, the more you save.